Well, here it is Thursday. Markets have just opened. You can see it's 9:30 and a little bit. Everything looked like it was going to gap up, although immediately after opening, things started to look like they're coming down. Right now, we're getting no indication, so it's just a matter of sitting and waiting. Look at that. It's up to 5 already. Everything's green, so what we have to do in this case is wait for something to turn red and then catch it when it turns green again, because you want to be in agreement with the market, provided this number is not dropping. If it was going to 4, 3, 2, then maybe you better be looking at buying puts. But 5 or continuing to get higher means that you want to be in the direction of the market. So, oh, there we go, 6. So it is getting higher. Markets are going up. Got an email from a new subscriber. He's had it for a couple of days. Michael in Philadelphia. I won't use your last name because I'm not sure that you'd want me to publicly release that. But Michael says he's had a couple of great days using the software. So we're glad to hear that, Michael, and keep it up. We're getting some red here, Cop and Hal, and look at the numbers getting bigger. So this means they're going to go on sale, Microsoft, there we go. Now, because they're going opposite the market, I'm not going to be buying puts. I'm going to wait for these to turn green and then be buying calls. So we'll just wait and see what happens. Wait for these to turn green. You can see the market direction has weakened a little bit. That would be understandable when these are starting to turn down, but this could be a temporary pullback, or it could be a reversal. You never know. Look at that. It's getting weaker. Now it's at 5. There's Caterpillar just turned red. Diamonds turned red. So was that a short pop? Let's see if this number goes to 4. Then we'll be going the other way. Write this down. Cat, Diamonds, FCX. I'll mark those to the downside. I'm not going to check an IWM, okay? We'll wait and see if this number goes to 4. If it goes to 4, we'll buy puts. If it goes to 6, we'll buy calls. Got a couple of more reds. Q's and RIM. Not going to buy it, though, until this directional strike number starts to give us an indicator. Okay, it went to 6, so we're waiting for these to turn green. These ones that are red right now need to turn green. Or any of the others. Wow, we're up to 7. Up to 8. Boy, it's going to be a big update today. And here we go. Caterpillar just turned green, so that's what we're looking for. And Cop just turned green. Let's get some more. We're going to be going with the market now. We'll wait for these yellow bars to disappear, and then we'll check the price. There's Caterpillar's ready to go. ConocoPhillips is ready to go. So let's check it out, shall we? Caterpillar. 65 and 67. Cheap. That's for the $60. Strike. 65, 67, 60. Okay. And ConocoPhillips. Let's check this. 156, actually. 159. Okay. And that's for the 50s. 154, 157. 157. Okay, I'm going to go shopping. Okay, we had diamonds just changed, so let's grab it too. 156, 159. 155, 158. Okay, I'll take that. It's even cheaper. 158. That's for the 99s. Oh, it's getting cheaper. 154, 156. I'll just wait a minute. 152, 155. Okay, I'm going to go shopping. Well, it's now 9:43. I've bought 3 of them. By the way, all 3 are in profit right now. So I guess I'm going to just go and play for the day. Put it up for sale. We'll check the prices as we go through the day. And when it looks like a good time to sell, I'm selling. I hope you're doing the same. See you later. Okay, here it is 5 after 8. And let's take a look at how we're doing. We had the $50 ConocoPhillips. We paid $157. And they are now... Why have I got so many things showing here? Oh boy. Let's bring it down to something readable. There we go. $50. 166. 166. We paid $157. For Caterpillar, we had the $60. We paid $67, and they are now $74. 74. Diamond, we had the $99 calls, and we paid $155. They are now $168. So I'd say we're doing pretty well. We'll check it again a little later on. Well, it's 11 o'clock. Actually, it's 11:01. So let's take a look and see how we're doing. Got 10. Now we'll Mark 11. We've got the $99 calls for diamonds, and it's $167. We paid $155 for it. For Caterpillar, we had the $60 calls. They are now $64. We lost a dime over what it was at 10 o'clock, although we paid $67, so we're losing a little bit on that. And the ConocoPhillips, we had the $50 calls. They're now $185, and that was $157 when we bought it. Let's take a look at how we're doing. So here's where they were at 10 o'clock. This is what we bought at 9:35, is what we paid for each of them. How many contracts we would have bought to keep the value below $1,000. So we've got $2,823 invested. At 10, it was now $3,027 for a $204 profit, or a 7.23% return on investment. And then using these numbers that we've just pulled up for 11 o'clock, there's what each of them were worth. There's what they would have created. So our profit would have dropped down to 172. Now we're down to a 6.09% return on investment. So far today, we would have been better off to have sold everything at 10 o'clock. Still, even the worst case scenario, 6% investment for an hour and a half. Try getting that at a bank. It's almost 3 o'clock. Actually, it's 5 to 3. And so I thought I'd just catch up. Look at this, 19. Huge today. So I'm expecting to see some great numbers. Let's see how we're doing. We'll mark 3 o'clock. COP, we had the $50 calls. We paid $157. They're now $213. Not bad. How about CAT? We had the $60 calls. They're now $90. We paid $67. And DIA, we had the 99 calls. They are now, who knows, $212. And we paid $155. Okay, here's the prices. Let's put them in. $213, $90, $212. There we go. At 3 o'clock, there's a 3 o'clock bell. You can hear it ringing. We made $974 profit, or 34.5% return on investment. And compare the times. At 11, it was a 6.09%, and at 10 o'clock, it was a 7.23%. So clearly, patience has paid off today. 34.5% return on investment. I'd say that was a pretty good day. Are you not a subscriber yet? But get on over to our website and get your subscription activated immediately. You don't want to miss out on these profits. www.financialfurnace.com, and I'll look forward to working with you.